Former ZANU-PF Mashonaland West provincial chairperson Themba Mliswa says his rural home in Chirubwe was torched by unknown assailants on Wednesday night in what he believes is political retaliation. Sadabena mashoko arikubuda panguva inanyanya kunzi Mliswa's rural home in flames. So zvamakamboona our update yesterday panapa nhau dzonyogwa zvizere pamusoro kwekupiswa kweimba yaMliswa. Ndobva subscribe or like on the bell icon tibida munao zere wokunani kwamchinzi. Mliswa, who also serves as a village head in the area, reviewed the attack in a post on X on Thursday morning, linking it to his outspoken criticism of senior government officials. In quotes, "I've always known that corruption fights back, and I am prepared for everything. Last night they sneaked and burnt my house in Chirubwe, all because I asked for accountability and transparency. Thank God no one was hurt. Mapisa Nyazonia," he wrote. The Nyazonia reference draws on Zimbabwe's liberation history, recalling the 1976 massacres in Mozambique, where Rhodesian forces killed over 1,000 mostly unarmed civilians in a brutal attack on a Sadc camp. Mliswa's use of the metaphor underscores his view that speaking against corruption and abuse of power still carries heavy personal risk in today's Zimbabwe. The assault comes against the backdrop of a leaked audio between Mliswa and his associate, Bopela, in which Mliswa candidly discussed political survival, saying, "Support whoever is in power, toda kuti katine mhuri." Yet in recent weeks, Mliswa was not shied away from targeting Vice President Constantine Chiwenga, accusing him of weaponizing the anti-corruption drive to settle personal scores. He alleged that Chiwenga's campaign against businessman Wikno Chivayo had little to do with genuine reform, but stemmed from unresolved financial disputes. Mliswa claims that Chivayo was pressured to bankroll Chiwenga's lavish 2022 wedding to Colonel Minyothabo Baloyi, including 6 Rolls-Royce vehicles, $250,000 for wedding preparations, another $250,000 for the sexless honeymoon, R1 million for shopping in South Africa, R1 million as a gift, and $450,000 for apartments for Chiwenga's children, of which $300,000 was allegedly delivered. According to Mliswa, the fallout began when Chivayo withheld the remaining $150,000 triggered a bitter standoff that has since spilled into the political arena. Ndo mashoko arikuda panguva ino arikuonekwa kunzi aiwa the rift iripo mu the ruling party ZANU-PF aina kumira zvakanaka. Imbotiudzai mafunguro enyu moti kudi pamusoro pezviitiko izvi. Pinda comment section medu mafunguro enyu, so subscribe or like pamwe chete nekutina on the bell icon.